Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Prabhakaran from Techofly. So today I'm gonna review the T11 Pro smartwatch, which I bought few weeks ago from Amazon for rupees 1699. So today let's take a look at the watch and see what features you have got inside the watch. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin with the build quality of the watch. The build quality of the watch is pretty good. The watch body is made up of metal and the watch straps are made up of rubber. The rubber quality seems to be very flexible and doesn't seem to be poor quality, one like the 200 or 300 rupees watch straps. All over build quality is good. Now let's take a look at the physical overview. At the front, you have got the massive 1.22-inch display, which is a LCD display. At the left hand side, you have got USB port by which you can charge your smartwatch or you can share files between PC and your watch. And at the right hand side of the watch, you have got the power button, and at the back you have the battery itself, which is of 280 milliampere, which gives you 4.2 volt output. I must say, it gives you 24 hours of battery backup after charging it for 4 to 5 hours, even after continuously using a lot of features of the watch. And you have got the slots to insert SIM and memory card. You can expand memory card up to 32 gig. When I'm wearing it in my hand, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing any bulky thing in my hand. It feels very lightweight and it pretty looks cool though in my hand. The only reason I have attracted to buy this watch is that it looks similar to Gear S2 Sport. If we side by side compare it with the original Gear S2 Sport, you wouldn't find any differences between them. If you find any differences, then let me know in the comments down below. Let's talk about how to connect the watch with your smartphone. There is not a big rocket science here. You have to open an app called Quick Reader in your smartwatch, which shows up a QR code. Just scan it and your phone web browser will take you to a website where you have to download the app by which you can operate your smartwatch. Now let's take a look at the features that you have got inside the watch. There are 28 different pre-installed apps. Most of the apps require Bluetooth to work. I'm not gonna talk about all the apps, otherwise the video will be too long. I will just talk about the crucial apps. First is speedometer, which allows you to track your steps while walking around. Second app is anti-lost. By this app you can find your phone if you forget where you kept the phone last. As we know, we humans forget many things. One of them is phone. We just wanted it till we are using it. We kept it anywhere else and forget it. After that we waste our time in finding it. So this app will help you to find the phone inside the room only if your phone is connected to the watch via Bluetooth. And you have got bunch more apps like alarm, sleep monitor, file manager to manage your files, and then you have got calendar, remote camera, and there is some social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and internet browser. You can't use social media apps unless and until you have inserted the memory card to access those apps. Now let's take a look at the audio quality of the watch. I'm gonna play a music from my smartphone which is connected via Bluetooth. Let's hear the audio output of the watch. The audio output is awesome of the watch. It hears clear and loud, and even I'm shooting this in an outdoor condition, the sound doesn't get affected or merging with the nature sound. You can hear the music clearly from the watch. Two things I dislike about the watch is the voice quality of the watch. It's not good when you call someone. You can't hear the receiver clearly. You have to take the watch near to your ears to listen. Then though you can't listen it clearly, the voice breaks. The second things I dislike about the watch is that the display size the company has provided 1.22-inch size rather than providing full screen. If you have noticed the watch, there is something like black strip that is covering the display. I don't like it. Overall, there is no problem in viewing angle. You can visualize all things clearly. And that pretty much it. I hope I have covered all the information about the watch.